Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. I have this hair trimmer. It is Chinese brand Honest RF607. It is not charging and it is not trimming the hair. If you check the voltage, its adapter provides AC voltage at these 2 points. It is 7.6 volt. From 5 to 7.6 volt it will reach here. That means the adapter and this charging base, it is good. The problem is here in the machine. Let's start how we can troubleshoot. Using Allen key we will open this screw. Yes, it is providing voltage here. That means the connection is good. Now we will check here what is wrong here. If the voltage are entering from this point, diode okay. Battery voltage, battery is 0.955. That means here was loose connection. Yes. So this is loose connection. If we check it, the circuit is very simple. From this point it is reaching to diode. Diode cathode is reaching to positive terminal. When the switch will operated, it will provide these voltage to the motor. So we can say it is a very simple circuit, and this resistor network, it will give voltage to LED. We will make solder between the pin and the holder, so it will never make loose circuit. Now it will not make loose circuit. Yes, now it's good. Yes. يسلم ايديك سيدي حبيبي شكرا. Yes, now it is charging. That's good. The battery is very down. It will now charge the battery, and now it is working. This time the battery is very weak. When it will now recharge, it will work normally. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.